Hi! In front of me is TCL NxtPaper 10s, and today I would like to show you how you can install and then apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and just type in Magic Fluids. Now install this app from this developer, Mad Scientist, and open it. After that, select those two lines at the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. Now choose I accept and adjust all of those settings however you wish to. When you're ready, you need to click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you wish to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by selecting one of those options. So now when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!